What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about Alchemy Pay. And I started talking about Alchemy way back in 2021. And I remember distinctly talking about it very, very early on. And we had live streams. We had John Tan, the CEO of Alchemy Pay, on multiple times right here on this channel. And we're trying to get him on again, by the way. So fingers crossed. If anybody from the Alchemy Pay team is watching this video, let John know that we want him back on the channel for a third time. That would be fantastic. But I remember talking about Alchemy Pay and saying, listen, this is not a short-term play by any means. However, this company, which is essentially bridging the fiat and crypto global economies, this is a long-term play for me. Of course, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. You have to find the good companies in multiple different sectors that you want to invest in. But for me, I saw the partnerships very early on. I saw the vision very early on, had a chance to talk to team members, including the CEO, multiple times, dig into the backgrounds of some of these people. And this was a company that I thought could make some big waves in the future. This was back in 2021. And some of those big waves now are starting to happen. And I want to dive into some of the things recently that is going on right now with Alchemy Pay that really makes me excited about the future of this company. And, you have people like Sandeep Nawal, right, who is a co-founder of Polygon. Thanks to Alchemy Pay, we could provide an essential gateway between fiat and crypto transactions. This development opens up, that thing keeps moving, new capital inroads that will propel users of Polygon's DeFi ecosystem to the next level. You've got the CEO of Near Protocol. Ultimately, blockchain solutions must be well integrated with fiat currency economy. Alchemy Pay is crucial in helping us get there. How about CZ from Binance? Binance to bring Bitcoin payments to Shopify via Alchemy Pay. We've talked about all of these. We've covered all of these. These are major players in the game, and they see the vision here. And they also see that Alchemy Pay is already supporting fiat crypto purchases in 173 different countries using methods such as Visa, MasterCard, regional mobile wallets, and domestic transfers. This is a company that has been building for a while. Now, recently they announced this. BitGet says, we're celebrating our new partnership with Alchemy Pay by offering zero fees on our crypto purchase with them, on your first crypto purchase with them. So the Alchemy Pay on-ramp solution has gone live on BitGet Global. With this collaboration, BitGet's users can pay with their preferred fiat payment methods directly to buy cryptocurrencies and fund their accounts. This is what we talk about when we say easy access, right? So fiat payment methods directly to buy crypto. This is what we need, right? Make it easy on people to get into the game. And Alchemy Pay is one of those companies. And if you're a maxi in crypto, you got to love companies like this because this is what we need for global crypto adoption, right? The entire path right now is too complicated. Now, recently, Alchemy Pay took over Hong Kong by storm with widespread ads and thought-provoking speeches at the Web3 Festival. Our project is revolutionizing the crypto payment industry and making waves worldwide. So very much looking forward to the future of this company. And I just want to give you a couple updates on some of the recent items that we've seen from Alchemy Pay. They are growing like crazy. Again, 173 plus countries now, and adding more by the day. And going to be exciting to watch the future of this company play out. Let me know what you guys think about ACH, Alchemy Pay, down below in the comment section. We'll be covering this more and more as time goes on. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Peace.